Welcome to Everyday English. I'm Peter, and alongside me is Sophia, ready to guide you through another exciting episode.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophia, and we're so happy you've tuned in. Today, we're diving into real-life dialogues to help you learn English in an authentic way.
That's right. We believe the best way to master a language is by listening to genuine conversations, just like the ones you experience every day.
In this episode, we're featuring two powerful scenes, a romantic proposal between a boyfriend and girlfriend, and the moment she shares her big news with her best friend.
You'll hear natural expressions of excitement, joy, and genuine emotion, just as they would happen in real life.
Pay close attention to intonation, vocabulary, and how feelings are expressed in English. Try to grasp as much as possible.
After listening, we'd love for you to rate from 1 to 10 how much of the dialogue you understood. Be honest, this helps you track your progress.
Exactly. Comment in the section below with your score and let us know which phrases or parts you found challenging.
Now, get ready for the first scenario, the boyfriend proposing marriage to his girlfriend in a heartfelt, spontaneous moment.
It's a beautiful scene filled with excitement and joy, perfect for learning romantic and emotional vocabulary in context.
Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English so you never miss an episode.
Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive updates, and share this podcast with friends who want to improve their English too.
All right, it's time for our first dialogue. Listen closely, absorb every word, and enjoy the story.
Let's go. Here's the proposal scene that will inspire and teach you at the same time. Enjoy and good luck.
Hey, babe. Thank you for coming.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
I thought we could grab a coffee first.
I love that idea. I could use a latte.
Perfect. There's a cozy cafe just down the hall.
I already smell it. You know me well.
You look stunning today.
You always say that, but it still makes me blush.
I mean every word. Your smile lights up the room.
You're going to give me a big head.
Mind if we take a little detour?
Not at all. What do you have in mind?
Close your eyes for a second, okay?
All right, my eyes are closed.
Kneeling. I have something I've been waiting to give you.
What are you doing?
You're my world, and I can't imagine life without you.
Your words are making my heart race.
Will you marry me?
Yes, of course.
Slips ring on her finger. You've made me the happiest man alive.
And you've made me the happiest woman.
I promise to love you every single day.
I promise the same.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Neither can I. My heart is so full right now.
Let's take a selfie to capture this moment.
Great idea. I want to remember every detail.
Holding up phone. Ready? Smile.
Cheese, but I have tears in my eyes.
Tears of joy look beautiful on you.
Okay, enough photos. My cheeks hurt from smiling.
How about that coffee now?
Yes, please. And maybe a pastry too.
You got it. Anything to celebrate us.
I'm still in shock. You surprised me so well.
It was only fair. You've surprised me with your love every day.
Oh, stop it. You're sweet.
Come on, you're the sweetest.
Deal, but you owe me a dance later.
Dance? Anywhere, anytime.
I can't wait. We'll dance like no one's watching.
I'm looking forward to it already.
This is the best day of my life.
And this is just the beginning.
I feel like fireworks are going off inside me.
My heart is exploding with happiness too.
You're my everything.
And yours mine. Forever and always.
Forever and always.
Let's go inside and toast to our future.
Yes, let's go.
I love you.
I love you more.
From 1 to 10, how much did you understand in this dialogue?
Please let us know in the comments.
Let's move on to the next dialogue.
Lily! Oh my gosh, I have to tell you something incredible.
Emma, what's going on? You sound like you're bursting with excitement.
I am. Remember last weekend when Alex and I went for that walk by the river?
Yes, you two always do something sweet and romantic.
Well, he surprised me. Completely surprised me.
Okay, now you're officially driving me crazy. Just spill it.
He got down on one knee and asked me to marry him.
Oh my goodness, are you serious?
Yes, look. Holds up hand to show the ring. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow, Emma, it's absolutely stunning. That's the most gorgeous ring I've ever seen.
I can't believe it's real. I must have asked him 5 times if he was joking.
How did you react? Did you cry?
I was so shocked, I gasped. Then I cried tears of joy, and I said yes immediately.
I'm tearing up just imagining the moment. Tell me every detail.
We were walking by the water at sunset, and he said he had something important to ask.
That already sounds magic. Continue.
He told me how much he loves me and how he wants to spend the rest of his life with me.
Which, of course, was the most romantic thing in the world.
Then he knelt down and pulled out this ring from his pocket.
I can't believe you're engaged. This is huge.
I know. I've been smiling nonstop ever since.
When's the big day? Have you started thinking about it yet?
We haven't set a date, but we're aiming for next summer.
Perfect timing. Summer weddings are so lovely.
I want you to be my maid of honor, Lily.
Oh my gosh, yes, I'd be honored.
You have to stand next to me when I say our vows.
I can't wait. I already even have an idea for my dress.
You always look beautiful, so I know you'll pick something amazing.
So, did Alex say anything about planning logistics yet?
He mentioned we should talk about venues soon.
Do you have any place in mind?
I've always dreamed of a small beach ceremony, intimate and relaxed.
That sounds perfect. Barefoot in the sand, salty breeze, vows at sunset.
Exactly. And then a little reception with fairy lights and music.
You'll be the most radiant bride I've ever seen.
Thank you, Lily. I can't imagine sharing this moment without you there.
You know I wouldn't miss it for anything in the world.
I feel like everything is changing now in the best way possible.
Change can be amazing, especially when it's starting a life together.
I keep looking at my ring and wondering if it's really on my finger.
You earned it, Emma. You and Alex are perfect for each other.
He teared up too when I said yes. He couldn't stop smiling.
That's so sweet. You two are going to make a wonderful life together.
I'm over the moon. I feel like I'm walking on clouds.
I can't wait to celebrate. We should throw a small party this weekend.
A celebration sounds amazing. Just close friends and champagne.
And cake. Definitely cake.
I'll handle the invitations. Will you help me pick out some decorations?
Of course. Let's make it festive and fun.
I want to thank you for all your support. You've been there since day one.
You're my best friend. I'll always be there for you.
You have no idea how much it means to me.
Seeing you this happy makes me so happy too.
I'm starting to believe that fairy tales are real.
They are, especially when love is genuine.
Can we go get coffee and toast to the future?
Let's do it. I'll grab the pastries.
I'm so excited to plan this wedding with you.
Me too, Emma. Here's to your happily ever after.
From 1 to 10, how much did you understand in this dialogue?
Please let us know in the comments.
And that wraps up our 2 heartfelt dialogues for today.
We hope you enjoyed listening and picked up new expressions along the way.
Before we go, here are some practical tips to help you learn English from everyday situations.
First, try to listen actively when you're watching TV shows, movies, or YouTube videos in English.
Pause and repeat phrases that sound natural to you, mimicking intonation and rhythm.
Next, create short role plays with a friend or language partner based on things you do each day.
For example, imagine ordering coffee, shopping at a market, or calling to make an appointment.
Use a voice recorder on your phone to record yourself and then compare it to a native speaker's pronunciation.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every error is a chance to learn and improve.
Another tip is to label objects around your home with their English names so you see words repeatedly.
When you commute or exercise, listen to short podcasts or audio dialogues to reinforce comprehension.
Try to think in English when you describe your daily routine. even if it's just a simple mental monologue.
Reading out loud, whether it's news articles or short stories, can also boost fluency and confidence.
And whenever you come across a new word or phrase, write it down in a notebook and review it later.
Now, for those eager to dive deeper, we highly recommend the English Conversation Guide.
This guide features over 100 realistic dialogues with embedded audio designed for real-world practice.
Thousands of students have already used it to build their conversation skills and gain confidence.
You'll find dialogues covering everything from ordering food and making small talk to handling emergencies.
The audio recordings are perfect for shadowing. Listen and repeat until your pronunciation is spot on.
You can find the link to the English Conversation Guide in the description below.
If you're serious about improving your English fast, this guide will be a game changer.
It's an affordable resource that keeps you motivated and gives you hours of practice material.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below.
Let us know how much of today's dialogues you understood and what tips you'll try first.
We love hearing your feedback and sharing more content that helps you learn effectively.
Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Everyday English.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that consistency is key.
The more you immerse yourself in real-life English, the faster you'll improve.
We'll see you next time with more dialogues, tips, and fun learning activities.
Until then, happy studying and good luck on your English learning journey.
Thanks again for listening to Everyday English. See you soon.
Goodbye and take care.